Okay, folks, here we are again. We're coming up with something new now. We're bored, we need something to do. We're trying to establish our channel out there and have people respond. All you people out there, and I know there's a lot of you, that's got stuff laying around that ain't being used, you haven't touched it in years and whatever, box it up, send it to us, and this is what we're going to do with it. We're going to dump it all out on our table, and we're going to start going through it and see what the hell we can come up with. Yeah, start tossing shit like that and come up with something usable, and we'll either build it, send it, or scrap it and take videos of it and send them to you.
Have stuff like this flying at you.
Yeah. Now he's throwing shit at me.
Box of busted bits and a broken box of broken busted bits. Yeah. Build. Yeah, box of broken busted bits build. I like it.
Suggestion.
Cut. Oh, I hit my cut.
You gotta add that part in.
Ah, son of a bitch. I chopped my hand right on that motherfucker.
You know what I'm gonna say, guys? Subscribe.
Oh.
I chopped myself right across that knuckle. Hey, if you send it to us in a bag and not a box, we can call it the... Well, can we say shit on YouTube? I don't know. We say a lot. The bag of shit build. Box of Wonders. B-O-W. Box of Wonders. Bow. 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 B-O-W. Like bow tie. Box of Wonders. Bow. Like as in a bow in your hair? Like a bow in your hair or a bow that you shoot? Well, I prefer the bow that you shoot. How about that? Well, wait. Yeah. That's actually not bad. Box of Wonders. Box of Wonders. Bow. Because you get to break it twice. Because it's broken when you send it to us, and then we build it and break it again. So, yeah. BBB. Oh, no. That's not B-O-W. That's BBB. I'm just stupid. B-O-B. Bob. Box of bull. Box of bullshit. I like both. Both. Both sounds too big. Well, no. That's sorry. That is politically incorrect. That's not politically incorrect. I'm sorry. Who's that? Camera? Larry's taking a nap. He's taking a nap. I'm thinking, and it's hurting me. Damn it. It hurts when I think.
B-O-M, bomb?
No.
Box of...
Oh, YouTube, what do you think? What do you think we should name this series? You know, we can name it almost anything. I would rather just name it something easy like A.
A. It's time for A. You gotta edit that part out. Cut. Yeah. Let me make sure it's working right. Yeah. Looks like it. That's short and sweet. R&R. She said R&R. Recycled RCs. R&R. Rest and relaxation. What about R&R? Recycled RCs. Huh? A good one around it. Yeah. I guess the camera can't see you though. She's like, oh good.
Fuck you, Larry.
We just gotta come up with something.
You can do better than that.
I'm easy.
Well,
M&M Mystery Machines. Mystery Machine. Yeah. Yeah. I've heard that somewhere before. Yeah. It's called the fucking cartoon. With the dog and... What's up, Raggy? Scooby-Doo!
something like having shit drop on you while you're trying to do a YouTube video, huh? Anyway, cut.
We already have a lot of parts here, but if you have an idea, like of something cool, like, I don't know, whatever the hell you can think of. I don't know. So that's the whole purpose, is for you to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe so you can figure it out. Cut. Oh, shit. M&M. Mystery Machine moment. Mystery Machine moment. What do you think? M&M. Boy, I can't wait to see these things. That should give you some kind of a friggin' hint. I know what kind of stuff we come up with. Like we built that friggin' crazy, stupid, fast, remote control red cat that the front was blown apart with 2 homemade paddle wheels and direct drive with an airplane motor. And it worked even. Check the videos out. Yeah. They're right up here, wherever I put the thing. Yeah. Cut. You know when you point like that, you can say, hey, like when people cut. Yeah, I think you must have cut that one out.
What do you think, YouTube? Unless you can come up with your own. If you can come up with your own, then let us know.
We're open to ideas.
Yeah, if it's a good one, we'll give you a thumbs up. And if it fucking sucks, then we'll let you know it fucking sucks.
And credit will be given to credit where due.
Yeah, and if it sucks, then we'll let you know that we're giving you credit for it sucking.
No,
No, Cut. All right, next. All right, so you can like, share, comment, subscribe, or don't. It's all good. If you liked it, make sure you friggin' mash down on that thumbs up. If you didn't like it, why in the hell are you still watching it?
Yeah, why?
Why?
Why would you sit there and watch something you don't like?
Why?
So, to the very end.
Why?
Here we are.
What the hell?